All right, so it says how many different four-card hands can be dealt from a deck that has 16 different cards? Well, this is kind of a weird deck because a normal deck, so a deck of cards is 52 cards. So this is a non-standard deck. And a normal deck has four suits. We have hearts, we have diamonds, we have clubs, and we have spades. So the first two here, those are red. The second two, those are black. So if you look at a deck of cards, there's red cards and black cards. The reds are going to be the hearts or diamonds, and the blacks are going to be clubs or spades. Now, each one of these suits types, there's going to be 13 cards in each suit. Okay, whether it's a heart, a diamond, club, or a spade. So there's going to be 13 of those. So 13 times 4 gives us our 52. So that's a standard deck of cards. So most of the time they're going to ask you about a standard deck. And another thing I guess would be nice to know is what are their labels? Well, we have an ace, a king, a queen, a jack, a 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and a 2. Okay, so those are the 13 cards that we're going to use. So if we have those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And so those are the possible cards of those each suit. So each suit's going to have those cards either as a diamond, a heart, club, or a spade. But again, that's a standard deck. Now we're going to this non-standard deck. So this one has only 16 cards in it. So N is going to be 16, and we're going to choose 4. And it says we're just going to deal them. We're not going to worry about what order they're in. So that means we're going to have 16C4. Now, if we go to our calculator and we're going to cheat again, we're going to go up and we're going to go up. And so we're going to have 16 and choose 4. We get 1,820. So that's how many different hands can be dealt with 16 cards as a deck and choosing 4 cards out of that deck. All right, what about this one? We have a zoo that has 6 male bears and 7 female bears. There's 2 male bears and 3 female bears going to be selected for an animal exchange program with another zoo. How many 5-bear collections are possible? All right, so in this case, we've got males and we've got females. And so what's going to happen is we're going to have to multiply the number of males times the number of females to get our total number of 5-bear collections. But how do we come up with a male and female? Well, there's 6 male bears and we're choosing 2. So this is going to go 6C2 times, and we have 7 female and we're choosing 3, so it's going to be 7C3. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply those out after we figure out what they are. So we're going to have, again, we're going to cheat. We're going to go up here and say, okay, well, that's, oops, we're going to have 6, choose 2, which is 15. And then we're going to go 7, choose 3 is 35. So 15 times 35 gives us 525. So that's going to be 15 times 35. And maybe we should put it in parentheses. That'll work better. And so that was going to be 525 different 5-bear collections possible in this manner. Okay. All right. So again, the key to these problems is determining if or not there's going to be an order matters. Here, order doesn't matter. All of them we've looked at mostly here, our order doesn't matter. And so all we do is do the NCR into our calculator. We get a value out. In this case, we had to multiply 2 of them together, but in each case, we had to figure out what the value of each one of those was, and then we multiplied and we got it out. So that's how these problems work. So hopefully that will help you get through this section.